Next, 2T1, let's move on to DOP1 Task 2. Your English teacher tasks you to prepare a cover page for a storybook. The finished document should look like this as shown on the screen. So, you need to insert a word art. Right, so over here you need to create a new Word document. Insert a word art. Add a title, interesting short stories as the word art. Of course, you need to save as front cover underscore your name and insert the graphics as shown above. Lastly, insert a suitable page border. So let's get started. So go to File, click on New, click on a blank template. So we need to insert word art. Go to Insert, Word Art. I'm going to type in interesting short stories. Exclamation mark. Move this somewhere in the middle. Right, highlight this. In terms of the shape, I can choose Transform. Right, next, I'll move on to insert the pictures. So I'll move my cursor here, insert, picture from file. This will be under DOP1 Task 2. So I'm going to move on to Task 2. Right, insert the picture of the goose. Resize it. Under the text wrap, I'm going to select square to arrange them and to position them where I want. Next, insert again picture from file, the egg. Resize this, and again, alright, text wrap, select square. I'm going to position it right at the bottom as shown on the workbook. Insert picture again, the swan. Again, text wrap. I'm going to choose square and I'm going to position it over here. Right at the bottom. Again, proceed to insert picture. This time around, I'm going to insert a picture of the lion. Again, text wrap, square, resize it. I'm going to position right at the corner over here. Right, next, the picture of the tree. Okay, again, square, resize it. Right, and the last picture, of course, would be that of the fox. Text wrap square, resize it. Right, I'm going to place it over here. So leaving space for the border. So I've created the front cover of the book. Let's proceed to save it first. That's very important. Always remember to save your work. Front cover underscore your name. So file, save as, under work to submit. Save. The last step you need to do is just to insert the word art. Insert a suitable page border rather. So remember, page border is at design, right? So if this doesn't show, just click anywhere on the page, select page borders, select box, and you can choose the word art design that you want. So let's choose the same one as shown on the workbook. Right, let's scroll down whereby you can see different type of word art, different type of border art. Or you can just choose this star, right? Click OK, and there you have it, right? This border art. Okay, if you can choose the one that's shown on your workbook, that will be good. But otherwise, you can choose, all right, a suitable page border, one that fits the theme of interesting short stories.